everybody, it's your cutie girl in town, Dane. It's a fun day today. Today, we're gonna be unboxing Scruffaluvs. Here, look at the back. You can already see the instructions. And let's start opening the box. Let me see, where's the instructions? Oh, this is the instruction. This is the certificate of adoption. Let's see the instructions. First, here you're supposed to wash. Second, reveal. Next, dry. And next, groom. Here's the things that is inside. Here's a fur ball that we're gonna take a bath today because when you already wash, you're already gonna reveal it. And next, here's the comb of the animal. Here, it is the comb. And here's the collar, and here's the ribbon. A bowl of water and a towel to dry it. And here, I'm gonna wash it. Now, I'm already washing it. So, let us see later what does it look like. Oh my god, it's opening! Oh my god! Oh, I already see its paw! So I'll keep washing it. Oh my god, I see the eye. I think it's a dog. It is a dog! It's a dog! I already revealed it is a dog! Look at the ears, it's so shiny. Okay, so let's keep washing it so it can be more cuter. I already see the paws, the ears, and the blue eye. It's so cute. I love it. I love it. So right now, I'm gonna dry it. I need to squeeze all the water out. Fine. Let's dry it. Aww, so cute. Let me give it a towel. Now we're done drying it with a towel, and we just need to dry it with a blow dryer. I'm using a blow dryer to make it quick. I'm already drying it. I think later we need to groom it.
One eternity later.
It's easier to dry it with the washing machine dryer. I can already see your face, Mio. I'm gonna groom you. Here she is. I named her Mio. Here's her name. And I'm gonna put her collar now. I can't stop looking at her. She's so cute. Here's Mio. She's so cute, right? I'm gonna put her ribbon now. Here's her ribbon. And I'm gonna put her ribbon. I want you to meet my new pet, Mio. I already put her ribbon and her collar. Her name is Mio. How cute she is. I want her to hug her. I want to hug her forever. Guys, this is the end of my video. If you love the video of Mio and me, click the subscribe button. Hit the bell if you like it more. Bye, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye, guys. I love you, Mio.